to show you right now the world of mathematics, especially factor. Mathematics can be found everywhere since it has many great applications in our daily lives, just like factors. That is under mathematics, many of the beautiful phenomena that we usually see in our nature can be described mathematical theories. Learning mathematics helps people to understand the world better since it shows people today in solving problems that may improve our society and also to make life more efficient. Patterns are everywhere. It can be seen in our daily lives. One of it is a binary number series. It is a series of numbers. Each number is sum of preceding numbers. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now let's move to another factor, and it is the golden ratio. What is golden ratio? It is a special number that is equal to 1.618. There was also a graph that is called golden spiral. Albert Einstein said, "Look deep into nature and you will understand better." Thank you guys for watching. God bless.